friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Saint Beauty artist and a Savvi brand partner. I also am a lover of DIY lashes. Those are the three things that I mainly premiere or talk about on my channel, but I talk about a variety of other things, all related to beauty. I don't know where I got music from. It's still early in the morning. I'm still drinking my caffeine. We're just gonna go with it. But I love talking about everything beauty on my channel. So one thing that you'll find about my channel is I'm not brand specific, even though I do sell Saint beauty products, Saint official products, and talk about a variety of different things. I'm not brand specific. I talk about the things that I try out and whether or not I like them. And it doesn't matter if it's a specific brand or anything. I just love all things beauty and skincare. So that's what my channel is mainly about. So today I wanted to kind of do a first impressions and kind of a walk through the day and show you guys what it looks like at the end of the day, but with the Tula Skincare Radiant Skin Brightening Serum Skin Tint Sunscreen SPF 30. It hit Ulta about a month ago, but I just wanted to kind of do a first impressions, show you guys how it applies, the before and after, and then kind of take you throughout the day. So some of the things that it says feed your skin the good stuff, formulated without paraffins, all that stuff usual for Tula. It says, let your skin come first, a breathable serum skin tint with skin boosting essentials, including hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and collagen. And it says on the box that it has this S Pro Complex proprietary Super 6 blend of prebiotics and probiotics extracts to help improve skin smoothness and maintain skin balance. It's got rainbow seaweed that helps brighten and protect from the damaging effects of blue light and pollution. Ceramides and hyaluronic acid help moisturize and condition the skin barrier. Niacinamide helps even out the look of the skin tone, and collagen helps improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles. So I got my color. There's 30 different colors. It retails for $40 on Ulta, so definitely not an affordable product. I have tried Tula products out in the past and I really, really like them. I felt like they had really high quality products, and that was the reason why I jumped on this. I just thought for myself was, hey, just throw it on as a quick skin tint for the days that I don't want to wear makeup. But I got mine in 06 Light Cool. Like I said, there's 30 different color options. And I feel like they're pretty, like there was a couple colors that I think I could have gotten away with. So I feel like there's just a wide range of colors that could work for a variety of different skin tones. So in full disclosure, I don't know what the best way to apply this is. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it with my regular brush. So even though I sell Saint Beauty products, I still keep regular brushes for this purpose. This is the It Cosmetics. I think it's the airbrush brush. There's no longer, you can barely see the It Cosmetics on there. I've had this for a while. This was my favorite brush aside from the Saint products. This brush I've used with Saint and it doesn't work, but it works beautifully on like liquid foundation. So if you're looking for a liquid foundation brush, there you go. And it's super, super soft. So I'm just gonna go in. I've done my full skincare. Now in full disclosure, usually I go in with the Jaclyn Hill Skin Perfecting Oil Primer. This is my go-to. I use it every single day. But for this video, because I don't know how it's going to kind of counteract with the skin tint, I skipped it. So we're gonna see. One thing I love about the Oil Perfector is it really does a good job of hydrating my skin. I do a very, very dry skin. I get dry patches around my nose and kind of my T-zone. And the oil primer helps to combat that so I don't see that flakiness come through. So we're gonna see how this does by itself. So that is that. So, not a lot of coverage. Obviously, it's a skin tint. If you're expecting like medium or full coverage, you're going to be disappointed right out the gate because that's not what this is about. But I feel like it provides decent coverage. I feel like it does radiate. Like I can see the glowingness and everything. But I feel like it does a good job of just kind of doing this tint, hence the word, of just masking some of my imperfections. So I really, really like that. And I don't have a lot to cover. I do have some discoloration. I do have like redness. Redness and dark eye circles are the two things that I battle with the most. So it's not like I have a ton, acne or anything like that, or a lot of texture to cover up. So that is that. I'm gonna go in, I think the color is pretty good. I'm kind of liking it. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit more, just to get a little bit more coverage. And like I said, I wear the mask, so it's not like I need a ton, but I'm just gonna put another like light layer on it. And then I just figured I would go in, because obviously this is not going to do much for my dark eye circles. I was just gonna go in with my regular Saint product and just put it on top of it. Okay, so first off, just looking in the camera, I feel like it gives a good, decent coverage. Obviously, it's not, you know, it's not a lot, but I feel like it does do the job as a skin tint of what I would want, just that kind of wash of color coverage. I think once I start putting, as it's supposed to be like day to day, I feel like it is really, really flat. That, I mean, duh. But I feel like if I put a little bit of bronzer and just kind of did a little bit more dimension, I would like it a little bit more. Obviously, if I did my eye makeup and threw on some mascara, that would go a long way as well. But as far as the skin, you know, you could still see things peeking through, but I think it's really, really pretty. One thing that I've noticed, and I don't know if I can zone in, is it's not really settling into my skin. It's kind of just sitting there, and I feel like I need to take a beauty blender and just kind of push it into my skin, because I feel like the brush did a really good job of kind of moving the product all over, but I don't feel like the product is actually being absorbed into my skin. But I can still see, I don't know, I don't like the way it's really settling in. You can start seeing here, like my dryness. I feel like it's accentuating some of my dryness, but we're gonna see how it sets throughout the day. So I'm just gonna go in real quick and just do a little bit of coverage under my eyes. Not bad. I'm just gonna brighten it up just a little bit with a little bit of bronzer. And then I'm gonna call it a day, because I didn't want this to be like a full makeup thing. I just really want it to be all about the skin tint. So I'm gonna do too much to it. We'll add a little bit of a blush to it just so I look alive. Okay, that is it. Quick, easy, simple. So what I'll do is I will wear it. I will come back towards the end of the day and kind of let you guys see how it's worn. Today I'm not going to be wearing a mask for that long, because I'm coming back home to work from home. So I won't have the mask to like worry about. But what I'll do is tomorrow I'll go ahead and use it, and then use the skin perfecting oil under it and kind of see if I like that better. But stay tuned. Okay. So I wanted to kind of give a quick update on how the skin tint is holding up. Yes, I'm in my robe. This is real life. I just love this robe, and I keep figuring like I need to change it. I need to get a new one, but that's just not where I'm at. So a couple things. I feel like it's breaking up here. You can see like right there, it's really sticking into, or like attaching onto my dry flakes, which I'm not loving. You can see, I mean, definitely doesn't feel like a lot of coverage. It feels good on my skin, like it's not greasy or anything. I do feel a little bit on my skin, but it's not horrible. But I just like right there, that's where it was kind of breaking up before. But yeah, you can see here, like usually when I wear the oil primer and my Saint makeup, I don't have this here. But like I said, there's something, or maybe I didn't say it before, but one thing I noticed after I put it on was, you know how sometimes you wash your face and if you use like a cleanser, kind of strips your skin and you get that tight feeling? That's kind of what I felt after I put it on. Like around this area, it just felt really tight when I was moving it. Like it was almost sucking out all my hydration, which is crazy considering that it's supposed to be, now it doesn't say that it's hydrating, but it's with hyaluronic acid and ceramides and all that stuff. And so to me, that just, hyaluronic acid is usually used for hydration. And I just feel like it's doing the opposite of it. But that's what it looks like in real life. But Yeah, you can see there, like all the dryness and stuff like that. So for me, this doesn't work. If you have normal skin or even oily skin, this product will probably work for you because I do feel that tightening effect. It definitely is, it's glowy, but it's not like boom in your face. But to me, because I'm so dry, I need products that are going to work with my skin and not work against them. And I feel like this product for us dry girls just kind of works against us. So I personally would not recommend it if it's dry, but if you're oily or combo or, you know, normal, then I think you might be able to get away with it. It's really pretty. I do like the natural look from a skin tint thing. It's just not working for my skin. So let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried this. Did it work for you? Let other viewers know. This is just my opinion. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Until next time, bye.